Hello everybody. In this occasion, I want to tell you about the new sanitary safety measurement our company has implemented for the welfare of our associate as well as hundreds of thousands of passengers that we transport in our units. Therefore, we have intensified even more the process of cleaning and sanitation that we had previously applied. Our staff, we measure temperature daily to all our office personnel and drivers. Our fleet, we use cleaning products and materials of the highest quality, certified by the Costa Rica Health Ministry, to be sure that all the points of contact are disinfected. Each van is nebulized with sanitizing germicide, providing a 99.9% sterilization. At the rest stop or connection, you will repeat the cleaning and disinfection process of the vehicle. And each passenger must wash and disinfect hands before reboarding the van. All our fleet comes with a sanitation station. Our drivers are equipped with mask, face protector and disposable gloves. Our passenger. All passengers older than 4 years must use a mask for the duration of the trip and must disinfect their hands before boarding the van. Interbus is in the process to be certified anti-COVID-19 by the Costa Rica Health Chamber. We have implemented the measures necessary according to the guidelines of the Authority of Costa Rica, so that our passenger can feel even more comfortable to travel with the Interbus, where, on top of the most modern fleet in the country, you will find personnel trained in the application of the protocols to take care of your health. On our website, interbusonline.com, you can find more information and details about the protocol and cleaning materials used, along with the demonstration video. Thank you and shuttle with us.